In 2018, a Windows update silently made personal files disappear from thousands of computers overnight. No warning, no crash, no error message. People opened their Documents folder and found it completely empty. Years of photos, work projects, personal memories, gone. And Windows said everything was working perfectly. The update had installed normally, the system looked stable, but something had changed. Something had moved their files without telling them. Within days, Microsoft support forums filled with reports. My Documents folder is empty after the update. I lost 5 years of photos. My entire project directory disappeared overnight. The posts kept coming. Different users, different countries, same pattern. Some believed they had been hacked. Others assumed they had accidentally deleted everything. A few even reformatted their computers, thinking it was malware. But it wasn't a virus, and it wasn't an attack. What made it worse was the silence. No alerts, no visible malfunction, no indication that anything had gone wrong. The desktop looked normal, the taskbar responded, the system appeared stable, except the files weren't where they were supposed to be. For many users, the emotional impact was immediate. Freelancers lost client work, students lost research papers, families lost irreplaceable photos, all because of a routine automatic update. Tech experts began investigating. What they discovered wasn't malicious code, it was a feature. The update had activated a Windows function called Known Folder Redirection. This feature is designed to move user folders like Documents, Pictures, and Desktop to a new location within the system. In enterprise environments, it can centralize storage, it can improve backups, it can help synchronize files. In theory, it increases control. But during this rollout, something failed. The system created a brand new user profile folder. Then it redirected the document shortcut to this new empty location. The original folder still existed. It was buried deep inside a different directory path, one most users would never navigate manually. To the average person, staring at an empty Documents window, it looked exactly like deletion, and perception in that moment was everything. Reports spread across the United States, Europe, and Asia. The bug didn't affect every machine, only specific system configurations triggered it, but for those affected, the impact felt total. Microsoft engineers analyzed diagnostic data. Within days, the update was pulled from distribution. An emergency patch was released. Official guidance was published explaining how to manually recover the hidden folders. For many, the explanation brought relief. The files weren't erased, they were misplaced, hidden behind a technical redirection most users had never heard of. But not everyone was that lucky. In some cases, the original folder had been overwritten during cleanup processes, not moved, overwritten. When that happened, the data was permanently lost. Recovery software restored fragments for some. Others relied on cloud backups if they had them enabled. Many didn't, and years of digital history vanished because of a silent system process that was meant to improve organization. The incident forced Microsoft to revise its update rollout procedures. Testing protocols were adjusted. Staged deployments became more cautious, but the damage had already been done. Today, the bug is patched. The update is history. Officially, the problem is solved. Yet the event revealed something deeper about modern computing. Your operating system makes silent decisions every single day. It reorganizes directories, it installs patches, it modifies system paths, it runs scheduled tasks in the background. Most of the time, nothing goes wrong. Most of the time. But in 2018, a silent update quietly reshaped thousands of digital lives, without permission, without notification, without visible signs. The files didn't burn in a fire. They weren't stolen by hackers. They were moved by the very system designed to protect them. And that is what unsettled so many people. Because trust in technology is built on invisibility. We trust what we cannot see. So consider this carefully. If your computer quietly reorganized your files tonight, would you notice? Would you check every directory? Would you know where to look? Or would you only realize something had changed when something important was already gone? Let me know in the comments, have you ever lost important files unexpectedly?